Insert the 2 poles of each base into the corresponding holes on the other base. Press down on edges to click to base halves together. Fit the base onto the bottom of the fan, then rotate the base counter clockwise to lock in place. After plugging in, all the indicators on the display will light up once. Press the power button to turn on the unit. The display will show the ambient temperature. Press the mode button to cycle through for modes normal, sleep, natural, auto. When the unit first powered on, the default mode is normal. In sleep mode, the button sound will be muted immediately. After 5 seconds of no operation, the display will dim and then turn off. The fan speed can still be adjusted. Press the speed button to choose the wind speed ranging from 1 to 6. The wind speed cannot be adjusted in auto mode. Press the timer button to set the off timer from 0 to 12 hours. Once set, the timer indicator will light up. To cancel the setting, press the button again to set it as 0 hour. Press the oscillation button to turn on the oscillation function. Press it again to stop. Press the power button again to turn off the fan. The remote control functions in the same way as the control panel, except for the light button on the remote control. Press the light button while the unit is on to turn off the display light. Press any button except the power button to light it up again.